Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
Harmony unleashed. Tom and Jerry's Tale of Unity. Once in a lively neighborhood, Tom, a mischievous cat, and Jerry, a clever mouse, lived in constant rivalry. One day, a wise old owl named Wisdom observed their endless chase and decided to intervene. Wisdom gathered Tom and Jerry, urging them to reflect on their actions. He shared, "Life is too short for endless battles. Instead of chasing each other, embrace your differences and find common ground." Tom and Jerry hesitated but decided to give it a try. Surprisingly, they discovered shared interests and talents, transforming their rivalry into a collaboration. Together, they created harmony in the neighborhood, teaching everyone that understanding and cooperation can turn foes into friends. The moral: in unity, even the most unlikely companions can create a harmonious and better world.